Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change phone number on ShipBob. To change your phone number on ShipBob is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in shipbob.com. Doing this will take you to the official website for ShipBob. From the main homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and sign into your account first by entering your credentials. After you are logged into your ShipBob account, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. In the Settings menu, click on My Profile. Under Basic Info, tap on Edit User and Get to the Phone Number tab. Type in a new phone number and then click on the Save button in order to change your phone number on ShipBob. So that's how you can easily change your phone number on ShipBob in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.